It feels like a gluten-free muffin, not quite right.
Okay. This video is all about the Konjac Sponge. Stick around to learn more about our favorite skin tool that you can use every day to leave your skin smooth and soft.
Have you ever felt one of these sponges before? They're kind of squishy, like kind of jelly, a little bit difficult to describe actually. I feel like you just have to try one for yourself.
In this video, we are going to toss you into the world of Konjac so you know exactly what it is and how to use it when you get your hands on one.
Gimme.
Trust us, you're gonna have so much fun with these and your skin is going to feel so soft. The first thing we want to talk about is exfoliation. What is exfoliation? So exfoliation is the process of sloughing off extra dead skin that's sitting on the surface of your skin. And by removing this dead skin, you're allowing to speed up the process of new cells coming to the surface. And it's really great for those who are wearing makeup because it's going to help your makeup look nice and flawless on the skin. And if you want to learn more about exfoliation and more about using different products and tools like the Konjac Sponge for exfoliation, we have linked a video in the description bar below and right here if you want to learn more.
What is konjac? Konjac is a vitamin-rich root plant grown in the foothills and mountains of Asia. The konjac has been a treasured source of health and vitality for centuries because of its medicinal properties. People eat konjac in dishes and it makes a great noodle.
So how do you use this sponge in your skincare routine? Konjac roots easily absorb water to form the perfect sponge texture for gentle exfoliation and cleansing. Upon contact with water, it expands into a unique bouncy jelly texture. Simply drop it in a bowl of warm water for 1 to 2 minutes and watch it expand. You can then begin to lightly move the sponge in circular motions on your skin with or without your cleanser.
We would love to know what is your favorite beauty product that you can also eat. Comment below and let us know.
What's yours?
Ooh, something salty, like a salt scrub. I'm a savory person.
I'm going to say coconut oil because I like blending it in with my coffee.
Too. Yeah. Cocoa too.
So why would you use a Konjac sponge? Well, the Konjac sponge is pH balanced and it helps with breakouts. It is a really great tool for makeup removal and for cleansing the skin, and it also provides a light exfoliation. And this tool is totally biodegradable and compostable, which means you could put it in your compost, you could plant it in your garden, you could put it just about anywhere and it will totally break down into the earth.
Want to learn more about exfoliation? We made a video called Do I Need to Exfoliate My Skin? We've linked it right here or in the description bar below.
We love the Konjac sponges because they make it super easy to remember and fun to exfoliate your skin. And it also helps when you just kind of want to crawl into bed without removing your makeup. It just makes the process fun.
And another amazing part of using a Konjac sponge is it helps your cleanser last a lot longer. Just pop on half the amount you usually would, and this creates a foam, and yeah, you get to exfoliate and cleanse and make your products last longer.
Want to save 10% on your first green beauty order? By subscribing to our newsletter, you will also save 10% off of your first online order. Keep up with the Green Beauty Collective and receive exclusive sale information and offers. Follow the newsletter link in the description bar below. We're excited to have you a part of our community.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking, giving us a thumbs up, writing a comment, or just simply subscribing to our channel.
And comment below with helpful if you found this video helpful. And as usual, we'll see you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.